How to recover deleted videos on TikTok account. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to recover deleted videos on your TikTok account. If a deleted post is still within the 30-day grace period, you can view it in your recently deleted folder. During this grace period, you can retrieve your deleted post and restore it to your TikTok profile. In the TikTok app, tap Profile at the bottom. Then, tap the menu button at the top. Then select Settings and Privacy. Here, select Activity Center. Then tap Recently Deleted to see posts that have been recently deleted within the past 30 days. After that, tap on the post you would like to restore. Now tap Restore to recover your deleted post. Your recovered post will reappear in your profile. Once you restore a recently deleted TikTok post, you will also recover all associated comments and likes. If you made a stitch or duet video and the original creator deleted the video and all of its duets and stitches, you can't recover your video. However, if the original video remains active and you delete your duet or stitch, you can still recover your video. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.